Ola, ċik.
Xintidu jola iktar minnek daqsek fiex, xintidu jola.
Ola.
Le, ola tfisser hello, bamboċ, kif inti?
Jena, all right.
Mela jifem il-Malti ta' demonju.
When he speaks with the letter Maltese, srajġibni roħi. Kemm int hello, muy grazzjuż Angel.
Ooh, yeah.
Do you think people will remember you after Love Island?
Probably, or probably not, but we take the risk, I guess.
Let's go to the business, tayyeb. Mela, do you think it was an advantage coming late in Love Island or disadvantage?
Two-way. Advantage from one side, because I would get crazy otherwise.
Yes.
And disadvantage because, of course, you don't have enough time to show yourself off, even though I think I did my best to do that. And
Show
keep it
me
genuine.
yourself off,
Ewa,
darling.
after dish masħan.
Remember when Raquel organized a surprise for you?
Oh, yes.
And Selwyn was there singing. How do you feel seeing him singing for you? My God.
It
I
was,
would have killed him.
I think it was quite fun, to be honest. The whole surprise is one of my favorite scenes in the whole show.
What was the team? Caribbean or African or what?
It was a bit confusing, but
Yes, even him was confused about it.
yeah, so, but I think the intention counted, and it was really, really nice to see that.
Issa you went in for Raquel, and somehow, ya demonio, you managed, eh? Now that you are out, how is your connection?
Our connection keeps on growing strong, I guess.
Isma, if you have some problems with your connection, I can fix your aerial.
Ewa, di importanti ħafna. Ħalli ħtifel, ħajrispondi bil-kwiet. Mela, kull min jieġi titnejku ma' aswieb ma ħalli, kolla xejn.
Ħanaqra, boss.
Angel, you got expelled from the villa since you were not a couple enough. What do you think about this reason?
Sorry.
Yeah.
From this reason, I would just say, like, everyone's opinion is what it is. As you mentioned before in the question, the time was kind of king there. However, it kind of, played in a good way for us in a personal level because we got more connected after that experience in the villa. So,
yeah. And I don't know if you heard, but Clinton and Tamrika.
Tamrika, not Tamrika.
People are saying that even them, they won without true love. Do you agree?
I would not rule out that they have true love or not. I cannot say. They know better than me, I guess.
The important is 20,000. Who cares?
Mela,
Check.
Angel, what will you take with you from Love Island?
What would I take from me? Well, the experience in the first place.
Isola dell'Amor?
Malta is the island of love. I've always had this kind of belief, by the way. So coming to Love Island just made sense to me. And what I would take is amazing connections with people that I really appreciate.
One thing that you won't miss. The Bigilla.
One thing I won't miss, yeah, I would say the, whole, being careful with what you say and stuff is kind of like you want just to get it loose, right?
Walking on eggshells, which
Yes.
darling.
At least they didn't get the times when you swore in Maltese.
There weren't.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Angel, you want to do a Maltese test because you're quite good, eh?
I would. Are you going to do it for me?
Yes, darling.
Yeah, for sure.
If you get it wrong, I'll punish you, really.
Mela, punisheri yours.
So, if I tell you, faqasew, what does that mean?
Faqasew. Wow.
Don't tell me you don't know about it because it was written in the villa all over. Faqasew.
I don't know.
Oh, let me do some...
Għamilu multiple choice,
Okay, so, faqasew means looks really nice like me. Yo, nice like Raquel.
I would say nice like Raquel.
U tqabbel l-għek nifsek ma Raquel,
Come on, Dick! Who do you prefer, be honest now, me or Raquel?
I have you closer, so at this point, I don't know.
I bite your eye, mamma mia.
Mela, somma sanna fl-axħar, ma taċan niktar xinajdulu l-da, xi ħaġa, you want to add something?
Ent ħalli fidi, ħanna laqbil kbir.
Ora, nitlaq.
Yes, go away.
Bye, I'm leaving you. Angel, good luck.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Thank you.
Angel
Miskin, ħalli waħdu maħħa.
or Angelo,
Eva.
did
Angel.
God send you to me?
Yeah, for sure, I come from heaven.
Għax
That's
you
what I
answer all of my prayers, darling. Għazat kif nħobbu mien, zar, ma tnazzi, u ma jifmux xizzob, inkun għat najdilom, come with me, Angel, come here. I'll take you to heaven, darling.
I'll take you.